I've got the truck loaded up, got the trailer attached. That can only mean one thing, another tree job. That story is coming right up. We have a small tree job today, so we are only bringing the small saw and my 60cc saw, which is the Husqvarna. However, I am bringing the Echo 2500T battery saw. This neighborhood is in a 55 and older neighborhood. The houses are really close together. The limbs on this tree are pretty thin. The trunk is not that large. It's maybe 8 inches in diameter, the most. And I want to be quiet and conscious of the neighbors too. So we'll probably use the electric saw for a little bit. Anywho, let's get in the truck and let's roll. We made it to our destination, and I was able to actually back the trailer and truck into this very narrow road. I got to go around the side of the house here. Got my big old tarp here. Work smarter, not harder on this one. I am prone to working harder, not smarter. We're gonna put all our debris on that, and I'll just drag it around the side here and we'll dump it in the trailer. I just noticed that my chain here was a little dull, so I'm going to go through, sharpen this up. So I'm using a slightly smaller 4.5 file to get all of these. This should go pretty quick. I like to do 5 passes on it as I get into a rhythm. I'm actually going to do a chainsaw sharpening video here soon, but what I've done here is I've put a Sharpie and made this one red so I know where to stop. Pretty straightforward, right? This fence. There's the tree that we're going to take down right there. I have full permission from the homeowner there to take this tree down. Electric saw. We got 3 out of 4. We're gonna work smarter, not harder this time. Dump all of the branches and stuff on this tarp. I'm gonna start getting these lower branches off. Love it. Outside. All right, gonna wrap this around me, as you can see. Oh yeah. Yep. So now we're gonna keep on tackling it here. This tree will most likely drop if I just cut it and go that way with it. There's enough weight on this side to have it fall that way. Better safe than sorry. What I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna get a rope up in between here and then tie it off to that tree, and then we're gonna drop it that way. Might be overkill, but better safe than sorry, like I said. definitely overkill. We can do this here. Oh, look at that. First try. There we go. Work. There's not going to be a lot of pressure on this tree. There we go. Pull that out. Yep, that's gonna work. Decent tension on this. I'm gonna shoot for over there, so I'll be putting my wedge in here and then going straight forward. So let's do it. There it goes. Beautiful. No damage there. Felt exactly where I wanted it to. Let's look at the anatomy of a cut. Check this out. I came in at about 1/3, which is fantastic. And then I started my back cut. I got right to the edge here where I needed to. The hinge is basically perfect. Glad we had the rope on because all I needed was to crank the come along a little bit and it just fell over quite nicely. That looks great. Got that close to the ground. Easy peasy. We only have a little bit left, and let's see how it goes. Well, that's it for this tree. Check it out. We just finished cleaning up the last of it. Turned out to be pretty nice. That's the entire tree right there. Really happy with that. Look at that. Been here about 4 hours, but I actually didn't get started till about 10 of 11. I had a gentleman walk by and I talked to him for about 15-20 minutes. Yeah, that's cold, isn't it? All right, so I'm hoping the homeowner kind of diagnosed her sprinkler system because of the roots that are in the back. We just want to make sure that the roots didn't get into the irrigation system. So here it is right there. We're testing it. We're on all stations. I want to see if this back will come on, but I'm not hearing anything back here yet. Oh, here it comes. I can hear it. That's good, but it needs to, there it goes. Look at that, boom, boom. Oh, that's nice. Got that one, that one. This looks stuck. Let's see. That is a very good sign. We're good to go. This was a good day. We just finished up at the homeowner's home. I was able to dump the load out here. If you look at this tree, it's not a very big load. So that worked out really well. I'm putting the bigger logs over here. I didn't show the dump trailer going up and down. I've done that a few times before in some of my previous videos, and it's the same deal. Anywho, we are going to wrap this one up. I just got a few more logs to take care of. We will see everyone at the next tree cutting job. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.